Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a loom and yarn that match your project goals. Once chosen, you act. Place the loom so peg numbers face you and make a secure slip knot. Loop that knot onto peg 1 and wrap the working yarn clockwise around pegs 1-4 to establish a base row. Keep tension even, not too tight, so loops lift easily. Once done, use the tail to stabilize edge loops and prepare to continue clockwise wraps across the loom. You now establish the knitting rhythm. Wrap the working yarn around each peg, keeping tension steady so each loop is uniform. After wrapping a full round, use the hook to lift the bottom loop over the top loop on every peg. This secures the stitch. Repeat for subsequent rounds, and when changing texture, switch to a purl by bringing yarn behind pegs before wrapping. Make sure to mark your starting peg and count rows. This prevents uneven length later. You finish by binding off. Lift the first loop, pass it over the second, and continue across all pegs until one loop remains. Cut the working yarn with a 6/8-inch tail, pull through the last loop, and weave that tail into the fabric to secure the edge. If loops feel tight, deliberately loosen your tension on the next round. If a loop drops, catch it with the hook and reseat it on the correct peg immediately. This preserves shape and prevents unraveling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.